Hello kids, let's learn some colors and alphabets in blocks. Let's start. Purple color, yellow color, blue color, red color, green color, orange color, black color, brown color, rust color, pink color, green color, light blue color. Let's start. A for aeroplane. B for broccoli. C for candy. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nuts. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for train. U for umbrella. V for vegetables. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y means yak. Z for zebra. Let's learn. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Kids, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes with numbers. Let's start. Black color, brown color, pink color, light pink color, blue color, light blue color, green color, light green color, yellow color, orange color, red color. Let's start. Number 0, circle. Number 0, circle. Number 1, drop shape. Number 2, square shape. Yellow color. Square 3, heart shape. 4, triangle shape. 5, pentagon shape. 6, hexagon shape. 7, red color. Cross shape. 8, green color, oval shape. 9, green, rectangle shape, guys, red color circle shape, orange color drop shape, yellow color square shape, green color heart shape, blue color triangle shape, pentagon shape, pink color hexagon shape, dark pink color, cross shape, red color, oval shape, green color, rectangle shape, blue color. Learn numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kids, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye kids.